Hello everyone, welcome to a Small Turbo channel. Alright, today we are going to create word search for your students easily. Okay, so first let's go to our classroom. So just type classroom.google.com. So I'm going to type it again so that we can sabay-sabay natin itong gawin. Classroom.google.com. At pagkatapos, punta tayo sa ating newly created class. Okay, click lang natin. So as you can see, the Stream tab, Classwork tab, People tab, and even Grades tab are empty. So now let's proceed to creating an activity. So this time, let's create a game, and that is word search. So let's just go to here. Make sure you have already the account. You have already signed up. Right, so just click create new widget. Then where's the game? Here. This is the template that we are going to use. Okay, so let's just put the title. So for example, it has something to do with the topic reproduction. Alright, so let's start adding word. So in the word search, it's very easy to make this. So all you have to do is enter the words since the description is optional. Right? So for example, so these are the words. So we have already 5 words, so let's just create this. If you're done inputting the words, just click generate puzzle. Don't forget to click generate puzzle, because if you forget to click generate puzzle, and when you do the preview, it will say you have not created puzzle yet. Let's click word search options. Alright, so if you want that these options here are available, just enable this. But if you don't want the words to be placed in reverse order, just disable it. But I just want to put the words in reverse order anyway. Then we have, I'm just going to click yes for this, and so with this, so that later on if I would like to print this, I can print it. Enable submitting. Okay, so let's click preview now. Okay, so since we generated puzzle, we can see the preview, and since I enable the sharing and the download, you can see here the print option. So if you're going to print it, click print. This would be the outcome. Okay, so just print it, and that's readily available. Available agad-agad siya offline. Okay, so let's now, if you want it to share to your Google Classroom, let's now have the option. Ay, nawala. Let's go back. Alright, so ito yung nakagandahan ni Book Widgets, kasi automatically ma-save yung trabaho ninyo. Kung sakali mag-run out or kung sakali accidentally you have closed the application or the program, automatically mag-save siya. So, katulad sa ginawa natin kanina, na-save lang siya dito. So, just click edit. And let's click share. I-share lang natin ito sa ating... Uy, saan kaya dito, no? To this. Let's just share that in the two section. Do this. Just send to Google Classroom. Alright, so now let's open this created widget that we had a while ago. Just click edit. And let's just see if we want to add something. Alright, so if we are satisfied of it, just click share. Just send to Google Classroom. Right, so that is if you want to have another set for your students. If, for example, the first round is they find it very difficult, so this time let's have another round. So just close it, and then let's just open our class. So, as you can see, we have posted 2 exercises this time. Alright, so let's open the first one. First, let's see if we have the student. Let's add the student later on. Alright. So before we proceed, let's first add our student. So let's just copy this code. And let's open another browser for our students. Just input. Alright, go to google.com, then search for this and the classroom. Okay. So this is now our student tab. Let's just click this, then join class. Then let's just paste the code that we have copied a while ago. And we are now in our class by class of Ma'am Small Terrible. So Ma'am Small Terrible has a classwork already. So I am going to answer this first one. So I am now a student. I am now acting as a student. So let me answer first this one. All I have to do is to click on it, then just click again on my email ad. Since Book Widgets is a free account. Okay. I have to see first if I have already enrolled the student. Okay, so I have the student already here. Shekina Tresamir. The account is Shekina Tresamir. Let me go back. Shekina Tresamir. Okay, so it should be that you are one of the students in Google Classroom so that you can access the book widgets shared by your teacher in there. So since Google Book Widgets is a free platform for the students, so automatically just click allow. All you have to do is click this register account and sign in, and that's all. You are good to go as a student. So let me search for these words here. Hopefully I can locate it. Oh, I find it hard. Let's just have the other words. Asexual. Then we have what's cells. Then we have what else? Can you see some more words? Sexual. Where's the word sexual? Sexual. Alright, here sexual. Then the last word, sperm. Help me out. Where's the sperm? Alright, it's here. Alright, so it will prompt to congratulations screen if you find it. If you did it correctly. You answered. You have located all the words. Now, since there's the congratulations there, let's just send the answer. So we are Shekina Tresamir. Just send it, and automatically it will be viewed in the Google Classroom. So we are now a student, right? Now let's proceed to being the teacher. Let's just refresh this. So we are now a teacher. We are now acting as a teacher. So let me see. Alright, so one of the students already answered this worksheet here. So as a teacher, all I have to do is to view first. Right, view the... Let's just open it in new window. And all the summaries here are listed. So she got 5/5. So if you are satisfied of this, right, so actually you can edit on. If for example this one got it wrong and you find it you want to consider his or her answer, you may override it and make it correct. Okay, so and we have already here the MPS, no? What's this? There you can analyze immediately where or what part of the questions you need to discuss again so that the students will really get it correctly. Alright, so let's go back to Google Classroom then. Let us see. Let's just click return. Right, returning. And let's go to our Google Classroom. Okay, that's okay now. Let's just go back to Google Classroom. This is the class, and there you go. We have the score already. So this tool, this education